Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Narito na ang Unfiltered News PH, kung saan ang balita ay diretsahan, walang halong pagkiling at para sa bayan. Alamin ang mga mahahalagang issue. Iisa-isahin natin ang mga detalye at tayo mismo ang huhusga kung ano nga ba ang totoo. Simulan na natin. VP Sara considering 2028 run for presidency. Kung si VP Sara ay magpapahayag ng intensyong tumakbo bilang Pangulo sa 2028, ito ay karapatan niya bilang isang mamamayan at lingkod bayan. Mahalaga na pagtuunan natin ng pansin ang kanyang mga plano, plataporma at kakayahan bilang leader, imbis na magbigay ng negatibong reaksyon. Ang ganitong hakbang ay nagpapakita ng kanyang hangaring patuloy na maglingkod sa bansa. Bilang mamamayan, mahalagang suriin natin ng mabuti ang bawat kandidato at ang kanilang kakayahang tugunan ang mga hamon ng ating bayan. At ayun pa nga mismo sa balita na kumakalat ngayon sa mundo ng social media, we are seriously considering. I really believe that our country will be great. It will be hard to explain to our countrymen because you really have to stand firm, especially with government policies. Duterte told the audience in Filipino and English during a meet and greet in Tokyo, Japan. Duterte added that there would be progress if there is genuine unity in the government. Supporters of Duterte were heard chanting with excitement when they heard that she was considering a run in 2028. During the same meet and greet, Duterte told her supporters that some programs and projects of the Office of the Vice President will be cut due to the lower budget given to them for 2025. She said that they are discussing the projects that would be continued, as they are prioritizing projects in geographically isolated and disadvantaged areas. We are prioritizing the underserved communities, unlike town centers like Davao City, where there are so many opportunities. Smaller areas need more help, Duterte said. Maraming salamat sa inyong panunood. Kung nagustuhan ninyo ang aming content, huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-comment at mag-share para mas marami pang makaalam ng mga totoong balita. At syempre, mag-subscribe na rin sa Unfiltered News PH para lagi kayong updated. Tandaan, ang impormasyon ay kapangyarihan.